In the words of Helen Hayes, the expert at anything was once a beginner. And sometimes it is so tough to take those initial steps and to embrace something that I am not good at or that you are not good at. And yet there's something powerful in doing something we are not good at over and over until we become a bit better and a bit better. And eventually we're an expert looking back and realizing we've come a long way. One of the questions that unlocks people really quickly is, what is something that you love to do that you are not great at doing? And I asked a really awesome person in the speakers world this question, and he mentioned that he loves to do CrossFit and that he's terrible at it. And he was excited as he shared that, and it made me realize I don't have to be perfect or even great or good at the things that I love doing. I just need to do the things.